performs an additional. So this is how the refractance window perform. Now there is a systematic air movement above the belt. Now that air movement, what it does, it removes the vapor. The vapors which are being removed from the feed, they are systematically carried over, and the relative humidity over the surface of the feed is maintained at required level, so that the vapor that is required to drive the moisture from the food being dried outside of the drive the moisture from the food being dried to the atmosphere is continuously performed. So this ensures the prolongation in the constant rate drying period. Now, since you are all from this same background, I need not explain the advantages of constant rate drying period and the added advantages of long constant rate drying period. So by this way, in this refractance window drying, all three modes of heat transfer are utilized. Conduction is always active through the film. Water will conduct the heat across the film to the feed on the other side. Convection will occur only on the upper side between the feed and the air movement. That is how, like, the moisture is escaping into the air. And radiation, as I discussed earlier, occurs through refractance window. Now we all know that radiation in other methods of drying, we categorically assume a 10 to 20% radiation losses from the drying chamber or drums of the dryer. Now in this case, these losses are being effectively used as a effective energy. Now if you go to the molecular level, how does exactly that, why this selective heating in water occurs, then we need to understand two laws. Planck's law, which says that electromagnetic energy possessed by the waves is directly proportional to temperature, and at particular temperature that electromagnetic energy attains or experiences peak. And there is another Wien's law which states that epsilon, that is emissivity of the heat from particular object, is inversely proportional to its absolute temperature. So if we consider water molecules, our target component is the water molecule, which we need to kick out from the food material. Now the water molecules shows high infrared absorption at 3 to 8 microwave wavelength. It is a scientific principle, and it is established fact in like all kind of electromagnetic studies. Now if we use a film which possesses a selective transmittivity or highest transmittivity around 3 to 8 micrometer of wavelength, then it will permit all the radiations through it to go on the above side wherever water is available, and that water will completely absorb all this energy that is coming across the belt. So thus the losses will be very negligible. We know that these three movements have been identified. The water molecule particularly undergoes a systematic stretching, then asystematic stretching, and symmetric stretching, asymmetric stretching, and asymmetric bending. So these are the nuclear atomic movements at the molecular level of water. Now coming back, so by this time we would have understood, like, the very important part is the Mylar film, the film that we are going to use. So there is a Mylar film which is commercially available, basic, and it should have very good gas and odor barrier properties. So apart from these, there are some quantified properties like density, dielectric constant. Dielectric constant is very important in case of if we want to couple this refractance window dryer with the microwave dryer. The melting point is very high. We don't need to go for this temperature in any case of food drying, fruits, especially fruits and vegetables. The specific heat is quite low, and thermal conductivity is also there. So now, if we have to evaluate the performance of a refractance window dryer, like we can look upon three major aspects. What is the thermal efficiency? Efficiency of any plant is important.
हेलो। सर आहेत का मॅडम? हॅलो मॅडम, सर आहेत का तिथे? नाहीत का? मी विजय केळे बोलत होतो. ठीक आहे, साहेबांचा फोन बंद येत आहे. ओके.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Dr. Kide.
हेलो
Hello.
सर, धोत्रे सर का कुछ नेट का इशू है. ही इज नॉट इन द लिंक.
Hello, Dr. Kide.
Dr. Kele also left.
I think the time is over.
Don't know, sir.
Okay. So only you and me here. Oh,
Sir, we have to quit now.
I do not know what is the problem. So there is some internet connection.
Some internet issue is there, I think so.
Yeah, yeah. So what we should do now? We should quit or what?
We should wait, sir.
Okay. I think the problem is on their side, maybe. And Dhotre
Yes,
is
sir.
on
Yes, sir.
their side. Okay.
Maybe Kele sir is calling him.
Okay. His presentation was over because I was also not in between not connected.
No, sir. His presentation was incomplete. In between, the slide stopped and he left. His presentation was not over.
Okay. Maybe some the internet issues or connectivity problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Internet issue is there.
So it is sometimes difficult, no? Where at the different places and connecting. Maybe it's a server problem also. Maybe.